NaJae back with another video. This one's going to be about essential oils for respiratory support. These are my top 5 essential oils, I would say. I mean, I use others, but these are my main ones that I do use. And there is one that I haven't used, but I've had other parents use it on their children, and it's really good. In this video, I'm going to be talking only about Young Living essential oils. I'm not talking about just any essential oils. So just be careful what you do purchase when it comes to essential oils, because not every essential oil is made the same. So just beware of those. Okay, so the first one's going to be Kid Sense essential oil. And it's this little tiny bottle. And when I tell you this works amazing, I've had about 2 or 3 parents use this on their newborns when they're sick. So you can put a roller right on top of it and roll right at the bottom of their feet. The best part about this, it's already diluted. So like the other essential oils, some may not be diluted, but this one is. The Kid Sense line is diluted already, so it's safe for children. You have nothing to worry about. You can diffuse it or put it at the bottom of their feet, like I said. You can massage it into their chest and the neck to ease sore throat and chest congestion. So it's really good. Fun fact, adults also use it as well. I heard that. So you can use it if you don't have any other oils that help you when you're sick. You can grab Sniffles. And other oils that is in Sniffles is eucalyptus blue, paleo cento, lavender, Ravensara, myrtle, eucalyptus globalis, marjoram, pine, cypress, black spruce, and peppermint. So those are just a few oils that are found in Kid Sense Sniffles. So that's really good. The second one is actually one of my favorites. I love using it a lot, especially when I'm sick. It's RC. RC's really good. Other oils that are found in this one is eucalyptus globalis, myrtle, marjoram, pine, lavender, cypress, black spruce, and peppermint. So just like the Sniffles, they have similar oils that make up RC and Sniffles. So it's really cool. I rub it on my chest and around my throat because it helps clear it all up. As soon as you rub it on, you can feel it working. That's how amazing it is. You can apply 2 drops to a warm, wet towel to use as a hot compress. You can add it to a bowl of hot, steaming water, then place a towel over the head and inhale the steam from the bowl. Or you can diffuse it. So it's pretty much the same thing, but diffusing, I diffuse it or I put it right on me topically. So either way you like to use it. Next one I like to use is peppermint, and it's a 15 milliliter bottle. You don't have to use a lot of peppermint because peppermint is very strong, so you want to be careful. But all you have to do is pretty much you can inhale it, you can cup it. So maybe like 1 drop, 2 drops. You cup it in your hand and you just inhale it. Or if you have the peppermint vitality, you can put a drop on your finger and put it at the roof of your mouth and inhale it that way too. I also like putting it in my diffuser because peppermint is very strong and I don't like it really on my hands when I'm done. So that's a good one. And then eucalyptus radiata. This one. There's 2 more of these, so it's 3 altogether. I believe this one's my favorite. I don't think I've used the other 2, but I like this one, so I can't really say if it's my favorite out of the 3, but so far this is my favorite right now. But that one's really, I just put it in my diffuser. When I didn't know about RC, I had diffused it with other blends, and then when I found out RC had it, I would put RC in my diffuser and then put eucalyptus radiata in my on the bottom of my feet. So that's a good one. And then the last one, it's going to be cypress essential oil. And this one's very comforting during the winter season, so you guys see the snow's coming. So this one's probably really good to have in your household, and it's very good for diffusing. So I actually like the smell of cypress. This one's not bad. I really like it. So there are other essential oils that are good for respiratory support. And frankincense, oregano, tea tree, lemon, lavender, lemongrass, grapefruit, basil, rosemary, ginger, and pine. So there are other oils that I didn't mention, but other people probably use them a different way. So just leave me a comment down below on how Like, what are your favorites that you like to use during the winter time, and how do you use them? Let other people know. So, you know, it's good to share other ideas so other people would know there's not just one way to use an essential oil, okay? So, yeah, that's the end of this video. So, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified when I do post and go live on my channel, okay? So, see you guys in my next video. Bye.